وما معيش فلوس. بس كده. اتفضل. انت راجل محترم.
Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Hello, how are you? How's it going? I am good, and you? I'm Amin, and welcome to Learn Arabic with Amin. Today we will learn Arabic with Arabic movies and drama, and today we are in the playlist of Egyptian dialect. Egyptian dialect. Don't forget to check all the playlists and all the dialects because I have all dialects in my channel. So now, let's start. Okay, now let's go to the first scene.
وما معيش فلوس. وما معيش فلوس. وما معيش فلوس. وما معيش فلوس.
وما معيش فلوس. وما معيش فلوس. وما معيش فلوس. و is and. و is and. و and. وما معيش فلوس. و is and. ما is not. ما is not. Not. It makes anything after it negative. Okay? ما is not. ما is not. وما معيش فلوس. و is and. ما is not. معيش. معيش. معيش, it means I don't have. I don't have. معيش. I don't have. معيش. وما معيش فلوس. و is and. ما is not. معيش, I don't have. فلوس. فلوس. فلوس, it's a general word. It means money in Egyptian dialect. فلوس, money. فلوس, money. فلوس, money. وما معيش فلوس. و is and. ما is not. معيش, I don't have. فلوس is money. Now what is the meaning of the full scene here? وما معيش فلوس. And I don't have money. وما معيش فلوس and I don't have money. وما معيش فلوس and I don't have money. Let's take a look at the scene again.
وما معيش فلوس. وما معيش فلوس. وما معيش فلوس. وما معيش فلوس.
Okay, now let's go to the next scene.
بس كده. بس كده. بس كده. بس كده.
بس كده. بس كده. بس كده. بس كده. بس means only. In this scene means only. In other cases it means stop. But بس in this scene means only. بس only. بس only. بس كده. بس is only. كده, it means this or like this. كده in this scene means this or like this. كده, this or like this. بس كده, بس is only. كده is this or like this. Now what is the meaning of the full question here? بس كده, it means only this or only like this. بس كده, only this or only like this. بس كده, only this or only like this. Let's take a look at the scene again.
بس كده. بس كده. بس كده. بس كده.
Okay, now let's go to the next scene.
اتفضل. 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 اتفضل.
اتفضل. اتفضل. اتفضل. اتفضل has so many meanings. Sometimes it means get in. Get in. Get in the house. If you have a guest, you can tell him, if he's a male, singular male, you can tell him اتفضل. Get in or come inside. اتفضل. But in this scene, اتفضل means take in a polite way. If you are talking to a male. Take in a normal way means خد. خد. But take in a polite way means اتفضل. اتفضل. When you want to give someone a thing in a polite way, you can tell him اتفضل. So اتفضل, it means take in a polite way for male when you are talking to a male. When you are talking to a female, اتفضلي. If you are talking to a group, اتفضلوا. Okay? So اتفضل here means take in a polite way when you are talking to a singular male. Let's take a look at the scene again.
اتفضل. 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 اتفضل.
Okay, now let's go to the next scene.
انت راجل محترم، انت راجل محترم، انت راجل محترم، انت راجل محترم.
انت راجل محترم. انت راجل محترم. انت راجل محترم. انت it means you for male. انت you for a male. انتي you for a female. انتو or انتم you for a group. So انت means you for male. انت you for male. انت راجل محترم. راجل it means man. راجل is man. راجل is man. انت راجل محترم. انت you for male. راجل is man. محترم. محترم. محترم is an adjective. An adjective. It means respected man. Respected man or respected male. For a male. So respected for a male means محترم as an adjective. Respected for a female محترمة. Respected male group محترمين. Respected as an adjective for a female group is محترمات. So محترم is respected for male. محترمة respected for a female. محترمين respected for males group. محترمات respected for a female group. But in this scene محترم is respected for a male. محترم respected for a male. انت راجل محترم. انت you for male. راجل means man in Egyptian dialect. محترم respected one or respected when you are talking to a male. Now what is the meaning of the full scene? انت راجل محترم. You are a respected man. انت راجل محترم. You are a respected man. انت راجل محترم. You are a respected man. Let's take a look at the scene again.
انت راجل محترم، انت راجل محترم، انت راجل محترم، انت راجل محترم.
Okay, now let's take a look at all scenes without any translation.
وما معيش فلوس.
بس كده. اتفضل.
انت راجل محترم. وما معيش فلوس.
بس كده. اتفضل.
انت راجل محترم. وما معيش فلوس.
بس كده. اتفضل.
انت راجل محترم.
Okay, this is our video for today. I hope that you enjoyed it and you learned new things. Don't forget to subscribe, comment, like, and follow my Facebook page. And don't forget to check all the playlists and all the dialects because I have all dialects in my channel. And I have also Fusha Standard Arabic. And I upload videos daily. So I will see you tomorrow with a new video and a new dialect and new scenes. So see you tomorrow. Salam.